you all? It's See Me Naturally here, back with another awesome video. I first want to apologize because it seems like it's been forever since I've recorded a video, but I am back and I'm better than ever. So if this is your first time clicking on my video, don't forget to like, comment if you have a question, and subscribe to join the Hair Hype crew. So today I'm coming to you all with a DIY tutorial on how to create your own fenugreek oil for wild hair growth. I recently discovered that fenugreek has been booming in not only the natural hair community, but just for hair growth purposes for all hair types. It has a lot of awesome benefits, and I'll make sure to leave in the description below all of the benefits that fenugreek seeds have and how they contribute to hair growth. So as you can see, they're nice little small pebbles, and I have a lot of different other items that we'll be using to make our oil. And this here is just the jar that we'll be storing it in so that it can rest for about 24 hours. So what I'm doing is I'm starting off by taking a spoon that sort of has a deep cup, almost kind of like a ladle, and we're gonna fill the bottom of our jar, I would say, with about 3 to 4 scoops. You don't want to use too much fenugreek seeds in this batch because they're already highly concentrated, and once it sets for 24 hours or more, that'll be plenty of nutrients. Okay, so what I'm starting off with now is I'm using coconut oil, about 2 scoops, but you can use up to 3 scoops as one of the base oils. The reason why I am using coconut is because it's highly moisturizing and it has done wonders for my hair in the past, and I know that I wanted to include that as one of my base oils. The second oil that you see here that I'm using is avocado oil. I bought this oil, I believe, from the 99-cent store, but you can buy it at the grocery store. Preferably you want to use pure olive oil, but also I don't think cooking olive oil could do you any wrong. And I love using the avocado oil because one of the main benefits of using avocado oil is that it helps to thicken the hair, and that's what we want while encouraging growth. So now I'm also adding grapeseed oil for very similar reasons. Grapeseed oil has been one of the key oils to help thicken the hair strands and also help to moisturize. So by using these 3 oils, my goal is to not only make sure my hair is healthy, but that I'm promoting growth as well. So I've used about 2 to 3 scoops of the coconut oil. I've used about maybe a third of the way of the avocado oil, and then a third of the grapeseed oil. So after that is done, we're actually going to add this mixture into the fenugreek seeds. I noticed that I wanted a little bit more of the fenugreek seeds, so that you can decide at your discretion, but that's just something that I chose. And we're just adding that mixture in. So once that mixture's in, we're gonna take our fork or our spoon and make sure we mix it in good. One thing that I noticed about the fenugreek seeds, it has this sort of like powder substance on it, and so that, along with the seeds, is where a lot of that nutrients lies. So we want to make sure we're stirring it very well. From this moment, you can decide whether you want to add in more of a specific type of oil because you know your hair. Like I said before, my hair loves coconut oil, preferably pure coconut oil. So I'm just choosing to add more in. Just know that if you're going to use like the coconut oil, it'll take a little bit more to get it mixed, but of course not impossible. And then that is pretty much the mix. So I'm closing everything up, and the next part is to add on our top, and we're going to let this sit minimum 24 hours. So we're mixing it in, mixing it. You don't want to let it sit any less than at least 3 hours. I would say that you get the best results the longer you wait. So yeah, this is a simplified way that you can make fenugreek hair oil. Remember, don't forget to love yourself. Thanks for seeing me naturally. Bye, y'all.